So I just want to be clear that this question is very tough and it's very difficult to see that this is the way you should solve the problem. My main point is that you shouldn't spend more than 2 minutes on any question. And if you feel like this question is over your head when you're in the middle of a test, it's going to be better for you. You're going to be better off if you skip it or if you take a guess and move on than if you try to fight through it for 2.5, 3 minutes and get it wrong or get it right. Because if you waste time like that, it's going to hurt your overall score. So from the get-go, we need to find a strategy that we can do quickly and efficiently. And that's what we've got here. So if we look at the setup, I know that the amount he earned per hour originally is 2 greater than the amount he earned after working an additional 4 hours to earn the same $336. Now, they're different by exactly 2, which means that when I do this division and do this division, I think I'm expecting to get 2 whole numbers out. Otherwise, I'd have to get like 53.5 and 55.5. And I just feel like the GMAT probably wouldn't do that to me because the GMAT likes to give you numbers that click together like Legos. So I'm looking at 336 and I'm thinking, okay, what are the factors of 336? Well, it's a multiple of 6 because it has all the digits add up to a multiple of 3 and it ends in a multiple of 2, which means it's even. And even multiples of 3 are multiples of 6. So we have 6 times 50 would get me to 300, times another 6 would get me to 336. So times 56, which is 7 times 8. And this is 2 times 3, and this is 2 cubed. So I have 2 to the 4th times 3 to the 1 times 7 to the 1. These are the prime factors with exponents for 336. Now, I'm going to pick the middle number and say, what is 336 divided by 16? Well, 2 to the 4th is 16. So 336 divided by 16 is going to give me 21. So 336 over 16 equals 21. What about 336 over 20? Because if I work 4 more hours, then the bottom of this fraction will go to 20. Well, this is not evenly divisible, so that's done. I'm not even going to do the math. What about 336 over 24? 336 over 24. 24 is 8 times 3, which is going to leave me with a 2 and a 7. So this is going to equal 14. 336 over 28. Is it divisible by 28? 28 is 7 times 4. And here we have a 7, and we definitely have 4 because we have 2 to the 4th. So we just have to take 2 squared off that. So we would get 7 times 2 of these 2's, leaving 2 of the 2's left times 3, which is 12. And what did we say we had up here? We had 24, which was 3 times 8. And then we had, so that we would leave us with 2 times 7, which is 14. And this is actually the exact situation. Okay, so this is our situation. Notice I did it by plugging numbers, working intelligently. I didn't finish out this math here. I didn't even know if I wanted to go up or down. I solved this out for the first time right now. But I knew that this strategy was a good idea because when they told me that these were 2 apart and they gave me a number like 336, things were just a little too complicated. Solving it with algebra would have been a nightmare, but this got us to our answer, and that answer is answer choice B.